I might have accidentally said some of the horrible crimes against humanity and war crimes that I witnessed in 15 years at the CIA while on the stand testifying on my own behalf.
They didn't want that.
They didn't want that.
No. I know that other agencies in other places of the world didn't think that was the right thing either.
That's right.
And that was a big.
You know what? I just happened to have this. I was recently given the highest award that the Irish government bestows. They've given one gold medal per year since 1777. And of the last 8 recipients, it's the President of Ireland, the President of Finland, 5 Nobel Peace Prize winners, and me. The government of Luxembourg gave me a medal for truth-telling. I'm celebrated in Greece and in Iceland and elsewhere. It's the United States that's wrong on these issues. Other countries recognize it.
John, why didn't you leave? Why did you stay in America? I suppose that's a loaded question.
Well, I've got 5 kids here, and
well, that's obviously, yeah, that's true.
Yeah, and my wife is here. I'm proud to say that I've become a dual U.S. Greek citizen.
Right.
I vote in Greece.
Right.
I hope to buy some property in Greece by the end of the year, and I'm going to split my time. But damn it, this is my country, and I'm not going to let them force me out of it.
You are very patriotic. Contrary to what a lot of people say, you come across to me from someone who's a Scotsman who's coming from the UK. I do see you as very patriotic.
What do you mean, contrary to what some people say?
Well, a lot of people. Well, some people will say there's that whole idea. He's a traitor. He's a. You know, he loves America, and I think that's unfair where people label you wrong because you're definitely a patriot.
Only morons.
Yeah, that's true.
Say stupid things like that. You know, treason, I've actually written about this a couple of times because treason is specifically defined in the Constitution. It's providing aid and comfort to the enemy in a time of war. Period. And we throw around that word treason, traitor all the time, and it's become meaningless.
It has.
And I'll put my record and reputation up against anybody's in America.
I think I've got to get you back on this because I'd love to dive into the whistleblower side of things for the legal industry because I think there's
a lot to say.
I have to get you back if you will come back on. I'd love to talk about that and maybe even get some lawyers on because I think that's a big thing. Do you think? I mean, you have had now you're enjoying success, and you may be a catalyst to potential change.
I hope
possibly.
So. I hope.
Do you think you're going to have any potential power to change anything because of your infamy now and you know the way that you've?
If there's going to be change, it will be only because of this infamy that I've developed. Somebody told me the other day that they saw a marketing study saying that I am the most popular person in America among males between 15 and 30.
Really?
Yeah, like where did that come from?
Dude, I think you're going to end up in GQ magazine at some point.
I did a thing for GQ
3-4
weeks ago.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, I'm embracing it. People listen to me because I tell the truth. And so I'm running with it.
So that's what my wife said. My wife is no fool. And my wife said when she listened to you, she said, he's speaking from the heart and he's telling the truth.
I'm trying my best.
And you can tell everybody else has got different agendas. Mm-hmm. And I think, you've definitely got a lot to say. And I think your experiences, John, have been absolutely phenomenal. And
thank you.
I do want to get you back on.
You've been listening to The Legal Owl, where law meets the unseen layers of clarity, leadership, and inner alignment. If this sparks something in you, trust that feeling. Let it lead you. For deeper insights, real conversation, and strategic guidance, connect through the Help Lawyer Network and subscribe to the show wherever you listen to podcasts. If you prefer a more private connection, you'll find the path when you're ready. Until next time, stay present, think deeper, and lead wiser.